1.5E5. First thing it tells us to do is complete the chart. So what I see on the chart is I have a number in standard form, and it says 10 less and it says 10 more. So I'm going to look at my first number. This is the number 106. So I know that has one group of 100, 0 tens, and 6 ones. I can't decompose that, so I'm going to change my one group of 100 for 10 tens, take away one of the tens, which leaves me 9 groups of 10, and leave my 6 ones alone. If I have 106, I'm going to add one more group of 10, which is 100, 110, and 6 ones, which is 116. For 91, I'm going to take away one group of 10 and leave my ones. So that's 81. For 91, I'm going to add one more group of 10. That's going to actually be 10 tens, or 100, and 1 1, which is 101. For 12, I'm going to get rid of my 10, leaving me only 2 leftover ones. I'm going to add 10 more to 12, which is going to be 2 groups of 10 and 2 leftover ones, or 22. For number 2, Eric made 7 castles and 1 sea turtle out of sand at the beach.
42. Dismiss 42.
A wave washed away 4 of the sandcastles. Draw a picture to show how many castles he had left. Well, I know he has 7 sandcastles, and I know a sea turtle's gonna, and 1 sea turtle out of sand at the beach. A wave washed away 4 of the sandcastles. Draw a picture of how many sandcastles he has left. So I know he has sandcastles. Do I care about the sea turtle? No. So I'm going to just cross that out right now. I don't need that information. I just need my 7 sandcastles. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, mine look like birthday cakes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have my 7 sandcastles. The wave's going to wash away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to see how many are left, so I'm going to know 7 minus 4 equals, and there are 3 without waves. Number 3, generate and answer a question using the information from the picture graph below. Well, I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 red balloons. I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue balloons, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green balloons. So my question could be, I have 7 green balloons. I have 6 red balloons. How many more green balloons do I have than red balloons? And my answer could be 1. I could say, how many blue and red balloons do I have in all? I could say I have 6. Could ask how many green and blue balloons I have in all. How many more green balloons than blue balloons do I have? How many fewer blue balloons than red balloons? Those are just some examples. I'm not going to do all of those because there's multiple answers. There's not one correct. So we're going to draw 2 figures in each set. We're going to draw shapes with curved lines and shapes with straight lines. So I could draw a rhombus. I could draw a triangle. I could draw a square. I could draw a rectangle. I could draw a hexagon. I could draw pentagons, etc. Curved lines, I could draw a circle. I could draw an oval. So there are different options for this. Again, you're not limited. Which sign is the same as? Mark your answer. This is plus, I know I'm joining. This is equal, that means the same as. This is minus, I'm separating. And this is greater than. So I know equal means the same as. Sophia represented the addition of 4, 3, and 2 incorrectly below. Fill in the boxes to represent the addition of 4, 3, and 2 correctly. Well, I know 4 and 3 more is 7, because 4 and 4 is 8, take away 1. Then I know that 7 plus 2 is 9. So the reason this is incorrect is 4 plus 3 is not the same as 7 plus 2, so they need to be broken up into 2 separate equations. Number 7, use the example from question number 6 to correctly represent the addition of 2, 8, and 1 below. Okay, so I have 2 plus 8 plus 1. So I'm going to say 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Use the numbers in the box to balance the scale. I have 2, 4, 5, and 3. Well, I know 3 and 2 could make 5, but I know that 5 and 4 will be too much. So if I do 5 and 4, that's 9, and 3 and 2 would be 5. 4 and 2 would make 6, 5 and 3 would make 8. 3 and 4 would make 7, 5 and 2 would make 7. So 2 and 5 is 7, 3 and 4 is 7. That would balance my scale. Write a number sentence to match the numbers used in the balance scale. Don't forget the equal sign. 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 4.